Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey Jen, Deep Brain, we're smart. Then what I'm about to show you will blow your socks off. What if you could have your own unique, ultra-realistic AI humans that speaks any text you type in any language? Yes, that's right, world's first generative AI human spokesperson video creator at your fingertip. 16x faster at creating studio quality videos, sales video, courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, 3D animated videos, reels, shorts and presentations, without mics, camera, actors, or studio equipment. Would that interest you? The good news is, you can finally access something 16 times more powerful than any video creator out there. We took AI from the biggest tech companies in the world, Google and OpenAI, and we fused their power together with Neural ML AI into an even better video creator, exactly 16 times smarter, faster and better than Synthesia, Veed, DeepBrain, HeyGen. And unlike other video apps, AvaTalk exclusive uses generative AI human face technology that creates your own unique digital human faces for your video spokesperson that speak any text you type in any language. Other video apps force you to use their already made avatars and unrealistic presenters used by everyone out there. With AvaTalk you stand out with your custom spokesperson. Our revolutionary generative AI video creator isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to creating studio quality videos for your business without hiring actors, models, studio, or paying huge fees. The future of video is here. Create custom hyper-realistic AI spokesperson in seconds just by selecting your desired specifications. Meet AvaTalk, your new generative AI video creator. World's first generative AI human spokesperson video creator generates unique, hyper-realistic virtual humans that speak any text you type in any language. AvaTalk is 16x faster at creating studio quality videos, sales video, courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, animated videos, reels, shorts and presentations, without mics, camera, actors, or studio equipment. Type anything, and get stunning, ultra-realistic digital human studio quality videos in 5 seconds. No disappointment, never waste money on freelancers, video creators, or ineffective video apps again. AvaTalk can speak and engage like real humans in more than 1,600 human-sounding voices with emotions in over 144 languages and dialects. And that's just 0.1% of what it can do. We are really scratching the surface. Because AvaTalk is so powerful, you can even create your own human-like spokespersons, actors, and models for your video. Yes, just imagine that for a second, having a video app that produces long-length videos in all languages and topics. That just shows how powerful AvaTalk is. Aside from using AvaTalk to create any type of videos, here are a few ways you could start making money. You could go on sites like Upwork and charge thousands of dollars for high-quality videos and 3D animation videos, and use AvaTalk to create them. You could also charge people thousands of dollars for voiceovers and audio or video transcription, without recording anything. Just let AvaTalk do all the work for you. Another way to make money would be to provide local businesses with promo videos created by AvaTalk and charge them $1,000 to $2,000, or you can create affiliate review videos to generate traffic to your affiliate links and receive commissions from platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Amazon. Really, the possibilities here are endless. When you get your hands on AvaTalk, you'll join hundreds of our users who are profiting by offering video services to people and businesses. That's because AvaTalk can handle any tedious, difficult video task you throw at it. Here's how easy it is to get started. Finally, get all your videos, sales videos, courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, viral celebrity videos, kid story videos, reels, shorts, 3D animated videos and presentations, and more, done in 60 seconds by AI. You're just 3 steps away from having your own dedicated virtual humans that speak anything you type in any language. Step 1. Look below this video and click the yellow button to get a copy of AvaTalk. Do this now to get AvaTalk while it's still available for a one-time price. The monthly pricing will kick in soon, so don't miss out. Step 2. When you're inside of AvaTalk, ask it anything using text or press few buttons. For example, if you want AvaTalk to create a 3D animated video, tell it specifically what you want. The more detailed, the better. And step 3. Hit the enter button, and you'll receive an instant, lightning-fast Pixar-quality video from AvaTalk. That's it. In less than 1 minute, AvaTalk can effortlessly create any type of videos for you and your clients, without any additional cost. Videos like spokesperson video, 3D animated videos, sales videos, video courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, viral celebrity videos, kid story videos, reels, shorts, and presentations, generate audio and voiceovers, transcribe audio or video. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it really is as simple as that. If you can do something as simple as turning on a light switch, or popping a meal in the microwave, you can use AvaTalk. That's because the AI behind the curtains uses the latest neural ML generative AI technology. And here's where this is really light years ahead of other video apps. You see, the problem with other video apps is that they force you to use their rigid templates, overused spokespersons, and character which limit your creativity. But not AvaTalk. AvaTalk uses our exclusive generative AI human face technology that create your own unique digital human faces for your video spokesperson, unlike others. And another problem with other video apps is that they're well known to have a restricted video limit of 1 to 5 minutes. I mean, if you've ever used apps like Synthesia, Veed, HeyGen before, you've definitely seen that minutes or character limit exceeded page before, right? And the only way to bypass this is to pay them hundreds of dollars a year. But AvaTalk is better than them, and it costs just a one-time investment, which will quickly pay for itself, considering the various video services you can provide to people, like marketing videos, animation videos, video courses creation. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on AvaTalk, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action. So no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out, and if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app has fused the power of the latest neural ML generative AI into something even smarter than any video app out there. AvaTalk is the only tool that can pull this off. And it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by doing all your tasks for you. Whether you're a content marketer, video marketer, copywriter, offline marketer, local business owner, YouTuber or vlogger, or really anyone who's doing video marketing, AvaTalk will make your life a whole lot easier. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out AvaTalk, risk-free. If you don't like AvaTalk for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money, with zero hassles. That means, there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders. So what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get AvaTalk while it's still available for a low, one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.